In the words of Wise, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you're attentive, you will see it. In the pursuit of creating a mindful environment, Ramagya is proud to introduce its dedicated team of counselors. These professionals are committed to ensure your child's mental well-being. At Ramagya, we integrate mindful practices into our curriculum. Art becomes a channel for expression and self-discovery. Through mindful art, students learn to communicate their feelings, fears, and dreams, fostering creativity and emotional intelligence. Imagine a classroom where each day begins with a mindful moment, a few minutes dedicated to deep breathing, setting positive intentions, and cultivating a sense of presence. Here, we are nurturing not just academic minds, but also compassionate hearts.